Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix touch screen not responding on your Pixel 10a. So first, what you guys need to know is that you need to remove your screen protector or a case. And let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is not applied perfectly on the screen, but is going onto the sides of your phone or onto the edges, then what can happen is this side will be uncovered, and this is how it will look to use the phone. So you won't be able to use it. As you guys can see, I cannot even click on those apps. So make sure to remove your screen protector if it's not applied properly. Now for the case, if your case is covering those big bezels right here, the dark part between the screen and the sides, and is going onto the screen, the same thing can happen. So you won't be able to do anything. And if you're struggling with it, make sure to remove the case. And after that, clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. So I got it right here. Now we're gonna give the screen a little bit of a clean. And now I cannot see any moist debris, fingerprints. And after that, what you guys want to do is simply restart the phone. So press the power button and the volume up button. Now what you guys want to do is simply press restart. So now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is update your software. So let's open up the phone, wait for everything to load up, and then we're going to go over into the settings. Now in the settings, we're going to scroll down until we see system, and in the system, click software updates. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.